Hey all, Magdalene Realtor here again. Got another open house. Today is here in Tampa. It's 12718 Greenmore Drive. Head on in and take a look at this. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom with in-law suite. Currently listed at $297,900. So off to the left takes us into 1 bedroom, which could be seen as a studio for some. All right, as we walk in here, you have the kitchen, living, formal dining, and informal, you could call it lounge area. The floors are all this beautiful hardwood or tile. Lots of natural light. And this is a pretty spacious area. See, it looks out into the backyard deck. Stainless steel appliances. All right, so we're going to go back here to the main part of the house. There is a large coat closet right when you walk in. There's another linen pantry here in the hallway. We go down. The first door on our left we have here is the guest bathroom. So here they had the vintage tub and sink, tub with shower. Directly across the hall is bedroom, is the smallest of the bedrooms in the house. Now, it could be primary or main bedroom 1 or main bedroom 2, whichever one you want to call. We're going to go to the finish to the right here. This is what we will call primary bedroom 1. It has an ensuite, this large sliding closet door. See here. It's shaded, so this room is typically be a little bit cooler because it's shaded by a tree outside and overlooks the backyard. The ensuite has large single sink and mirror with vanity lighting, standing shower, and there is storage above the toilet. Primary bedroom 2. Again, another good sized bedroom. It also has the sliding closet, dual shelves. It looks out over to the side of the house. Come in here. Recently renovated vanity. Look at it. With a large mirror and vanity lighting. Brings you into the bathroom here. See, large to the ceiling cabinetry. And there's a smaller walk-in shower here. All right, we're going to go back out to the main portion of the house. Right. So again, the kitchen lounge, living, and formal dining. We're gonna head this way back towards the front door. All right. So just off to the left here, we have an entryway into what could be a man cave or a she cave. I don't know what you want to call it. There could be a room. It's almost like an efficiency. You can see there's all recently renovated. It has painted and it has new vanity lighting and mirror and stuff in the bathroom. So what this is considered is a wet bar in here. Some could look at this as maybe looks like an efficiency, could be used as that. Has a walk-in closet here. As well. So some properties have it to where they've converted a room of the house into living, or a room, a garage into a room of the house or living space. That's one of them. Before that, some add what's called an in-law suite. So we're heading over here to enter the in-law suite, but one of the beauties of this is you can literally be on this whole side of the house and feel like this is all the house. And then you have an in-law suite. Large closet in there as well. Again, this has its own private entrance, its own bathroom, its own thermostat. They took out the kitchenette here, but one could be put in. You can see here there's already electrical there for it. A vent hood would have to be added above. It's a small bathroom here. Some might use this as an income producing property within their own home. Some people, especially this is something that's not uncommon here in Tampa, will have an addition or an in-law suite or an apartment above the garage, and they will rent it out, get supplemental income. We'll go ahead and head out back. If you have any questions about this property or others in Tampa or Central Florida, Ocala, give me a call. Cell phone number is 352-403-3730. Online everywhere at mattlongrealtor.com. This is the laundry area. Takes us right out onto the patio deck. And this nice, let's go over here underneath the tree. See the bedroom. This is the tree that's over that bedroom I was talking about. Good sized backyard. So room to kids to play, dogs to run. If you want to put in a pool above or below ground, it could be done. There is no HOA, so you can make things within code, make adjustments and changes within code. Any questions? 352-403-3730. Online everywhere at mattlongrealtor.com. Social media at mattlongrealtor. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, heart, emoji, all that good stuff.